Hello students, welcome to the video lecture series on electrical installation, maintenance and testing. We have started with the unit number 3A and we are interested to discuss the first important point, that is importance and necessity of maintenance. In the last class we have discussed what is the maintenance procedure and under the maintenance procedure what are the things which we are considering. So today we are interested for the definition of the maintenance as per IEEE. So this definition includes all the aspects of maintenance, and by knowing this definition the person who is working under this department is responsible for to do this action. So the definition says that it is a combination of all the technical and administrative actions. So the person who is doing the maintenance is responsible for the technical actions. So it is related to the, let's say, the electrical maintenance. If there is a work, then he is responsible for checking the electrical parameters, let's say voltage, current, supply frequency, and you can say that if there is a possibility to check the phase angle. So all the technical aspects he have to check. So these are the few electrical aspects or electrical parameters, and he is also responsible for doing the action of administrative. Now these actions include supervision actions intended. Now what is the purpose of these actions doing? So it is intended to retain an item in or restore it to a state in which it can perform a required function. That is called as a maintenance. So if the question is asked for you in the end semester exam or in the in semester exam, define the maintenance and discuss the procedure to do the maintenance. So you have to write this definition only. So let's quickly revise what the definition says. It is a combination of all the technical and administrative actions, including the supervision actions intended to retain an item in or restore it to a state in which it can perform a required function. So that is called as a maintenance definition. Now the next point today we are interested, what does a maintenance department do in the company? Now you might know that in our institute we are having some different departments in the office. So let's say there is a one department called as a student section. Yes, there is another department called as a account section. There is a third department called as a you can say the scholarship section or scholarship department. So now what is the function of each and every department? Now let's say consider the student section department. Now what is the meaning or what is the purpose of this department? All the correspondence of the particular student with the help of you can say to the university, to the parents, to the institute, to the upper offices called as regional offices or DT offices, yes, and to the department, particular department, electrical department, or you can say ENTC department. So to make the correspondence between all the departments as per the requirement, so that is the function of students section or students department. Same way, in any company there are various mandatory departments also. So let's take one department is called as a maintenance department. Now by this word you can easily understood that this maintenance department is responsible for doing the maintenance work of that particular company. So there are set of people, and these set of people are having a advanced technology or you can say recent technology with them. So it means the cameras with them, you can say the pliers, or you can say the tong meters, and many electrical equipments, or you can say mechanical equipments are with them, and they are responsible to do the particular maintenance for that particular industry. So I hope this function of the maintenance department is fixed, and here I have written or have summarizes the points as: maintenance department implements some maintenance operations to produce the products according to the specific criteria. So this is related to the maintenance department in the company. So this is the function, or this is the role of the maintenance department. Then we are interested for maintenance activities. Now what is the maintenance activity? The activities of maintenance function could be either repair or replacement activities. So they can either repairing the work, or they are replacing the, you can say, the activities. So let's say if there is a maintenance work for, you can say, the electrical motor. So if there is a replacement of any electrical component inside the electrical motor, so these persons are doing that repair work and replacement work also, which are necessary for an item to reach its acceptable productivity condition, and these activities should be carried out with a minimum possible cost. So this point you have to consider very clearly, that maintenance should be done at its minimum possible cost. So if the cost of the equipment is, let's say, X rupees, and if the person is doing the maintenance of that particular equipment, it should be less than X rupees. If the persons are doing the maintenance of that particular electrical equipment greater than X rupees, it means it is not permissible or it is not acceptable. So that's why the maintenance work should be carried at minimum possible cost. I hope you understood the definition of the maintenance activities, or you can say procedure, and this important criteria called as a minimum possible cost. And we have discussed also the role of maintenance department inside the industry. So in the next class we will discuss the next important concept, that is called as a maintenance, you can say, the procedure. So the responsibilities and the roles of the maintenance department. So thank you. God bless you all.